Metal unistrut clamps are not suitable for use with polyvinyl chloride, commonly known as PVC. PVC is a thermoplastic polymer material and is vulnerable to damage when subjected to the compressive forces exerted by metal clamps. The use of metal clamps on PVC piping can result in several adverse outcomes. Firstly, the metal clamp can exert excessive pressure on the PVC pipe, leading to deformation or crushing of the pipe wall. This deformation compromises the structural integrity of the pipe and can create stress points that are susceptible to cracking or failure over time. Secondly, the use of metal clamps can create an environment conducive to corrosion. If the metal clamp comes into contact with moisture or corrosive substances, it can corrode and transfer corrosion to the PVC pipe. This corrosion can weaken the pipe and eventually lead to leaks or failures. Thirdly, the sharp edges or rough surfaces of metal clamps can abrade or score the surface of the PVC pipe. These abrasions create stress concentrations that can initiate cracks or weaken the pipe wall, making it more susceptible to damage from external forces or internal pressure. Fourthly, the thermal expansion and contraction characteristics of metal and PVC differ significantly. When the temperature fluctuates, the metal clamp and PVC pipe will expand and contract at different rates. This differential movement can create stress on the PVC pipe, potentially leading to cracks or leaks. Fifthly, metal clamps may not provide a secure grip on the smooth surface of PVC pipe. The smooth surface of PVC can cause the metal clamp to slip or loosen over time, especially when subjected to vibration or movement. This can compromise the integrity of the connection and lead to leaks or disconnections. In contrast to metal clamps, clamps designed specifically for PVC pipe are manufactured from materials that are compatible with PVC, such as plastic or nylon. These clamps are engineered to distribute the clamping force evenly around the circumference of the pipe, preventing localized stress concentrations. The plastic or nylon material of these clamps is non-corrosive and will not react chemically with PVC. Furthermore, these clamps are designed with smooth, rounded edges to prevent abrasion or scoring of the PVC pipe surface. The use of appropriate PVC clamps ensures a secure and reliable connection without compromising the integrity of the pipe. When selecting clamps for PVC pipe, several factors should be considered to ensure compatibility and proper functionality. Firstly, the clamp material should be compatible with PVC. Clamps made of plastic or nylon are generally preferred, as they are non-corrosive and will not damage the PVC pipe. Secondly, the clamp size should be appropriate for the diameter of the PVC pipe being supported. Using an undersized or oversized clamp can result in inadequate support or excessive stress on the pipe. Thirdly, the clamp design should distribute the clamping force evenly around the circumference of the pipe. Clamps with a wide bearing surface or multiple clamping points are generally better at distributing the load. Fourthly, the clamp should be resistant to environmental factors such as ultraviolet radiation, moisture, and chemical exposure. Clamps made of UV-resistant materials are recommended for outdoor applications. Fifthly, the clamp should be easy to install and adjust. Clamps with quick-release mechanisms or adjustable straps can simplify the installation process. Furthermore, it is crucial to consult local plumbing codes and regulations to ensure compliance with approved clamping methods. These codes often specify the types of clamps that are permitted for use with PVC pipe and may have specific requirements for spacing and support. When installing PVC pipe, it is essential to use proper support methods to prevent sagging, bending, or stress on the pipe. The spacing between supports should be determined based on the diameter of the pipe and the weight of the fluid being conveyed. As a general guideline, horizontal PVC pipes should be supported at intervals of no more than 4 feet for pipes up to 1 inch in diameter, 5 feet for pipes up to 1/2 inches in diameter, and 6 feet for pipes 2 inches or larger in diameter. Vertical PVC pipes should be supported at intervals of no more than 10 feet. In addition to providing adequate support, it is also important to protect PVC pipes from physical damage. PVC pipe is relatively brittle and can be easily cracked or broken if subjected to impact or excessive stress. Therefore, it is essential to protect exposed PVC pipes from vehicles, equipment, and other potential sources of damage. When installing PVC pipes in areas where they are susceptible to freezing temperatures, it is essential to take precautions to prevent them from freezing and bursting. PVC pipes can freeze and burst if the water inside them freezes and expands. To prevent this, PVC pipes should be insulated with pipe insulation or heat tape. In addition to proper clamping and support, it is also essential to use the correct fittings when joining PVC pipes. PVC fittings are designed to create a watertight seal without the need for excessive force or pressure. When connecting PVC pipes, it is important to use a PVC primer and cement to ensure a strong and durable bond. The primer softens the PVC pipe and fitting, while the cement creates a chemical bond that fuses the two pieces together. When selecting PVC primer and cement, it is essential to choose products that are compatible with the type of PVC pipe being used. There are different types of PVC pipe, such as Schedule 40 and Schedule 80, each with different chemical compositions. Using the wrong type of primer and cement can result in a weak or ineffective bond. Moreover, proper preparation of the PVC pipe and fittings is essential for a successful connection. The pipe and fitting should be clean, dry, and free of any burrs or debris. A PVC pipe cutter should be used to ensure a clean, square cut. After applying the primer and cement, the pipe and fitting should be quickly joined and held together for a few seconds to allow the adhesive to set. Finally, it is important to allow the PVC joint to cure completely before putting the pipe into service. The curing time will vary depending on the type of primer and cement used, as well as the ambient temperature and humidity. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific curing recommendations. Metal clamps may also cause galvanic corrosion if the similar metals are in contact in the presence of an electrolyte, such as water. PVC pipe is non-conductive, so using metal clamps introduces a dissimilar metal to the system. This can lead to corrosion of the metal clamp or, in some cases, the metal components connected to the PVC system. The use of plastic or nylon clamps eliminates this risk. When working with PVC pipe and fittings, it is essential to follow all safety precautions. PVC primer and cement are flammable and can release harmful vapors. Therefore, it is important to work in a well-ventilated area and avoid contact with skin and eyes. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses, when handling PVC primer and cement. Always dispose of PVC primer and cement containers properly in accordance with local regulations. PVC pipe is widely used in various applications, including plumbing, irrigation, and electrical conduit. Its versatility, durability, and cost-effectiveness make it an attractive choice for many projects. However, it is essential to use the correct materials and techniques when working with PVC pipe to ensure a safe and reliable system. In addition to the above considerations, it is also important to be aware of the limitations of PVC pipe. PVC pipe is not suitable for use with hot water applications exceeding 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures can cause the PVC pipe to soften and deform, leading to leaks or failures. For hot water applications, CPVC or chlorinated polyvinyl chloride pipe should be used instead. CPVC pipe is designed to withstand higher temperatures and is more resistant to degradation from hot water. PVC pipe is also not suitable for use with certain chemicals. Some chemicals can react with the PVC material, causing it to soften, swell, or degrade. Before using PVC pipe with any chemical, it is essential to consult the manufacturer's compatibility chart to ensure that the pipe is resistant to the chemical in question. If PVC pipe is exposed to direct sunlight for extended periods, it can become brittle and prone to cracking. UV radiation can degrade the PVC material, reducing its strength and durability. To prevent this, PVC pipes that are exposed to sunlight should be painted with a UV-resistant paint or wrapped with a UV-resistant tape. When installing PVC pipes underground, it is important to bury them deep enough to protect them from freezing temperatures and physical damage. The depth of burial will vary depending on the climate and soil conditions. As a general guideline, PVC pipes should be buried at least 12 inches below the frost line in areas where freezing temperatures are common. In addition to proper installation techniques, regular maintenance is also essential to ensure the long-term performance of PVC pipe systems. Inspect PVC pipes regularly for signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or discoloration. Repair any damage promptly to prevent further deterioration. Clean PVC pipes periodically to remove any debris or buildup that could restrict flow or cause corrosion. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your PVC pipe system will provide reliable and trouble-free service for many years to come. Remember to always consult with a qualified plumbing professional if you have any questions or concerns about PVC pipe installation or maintenance. Firstly, consider the specific application when selecting clamps for PVC pipe. Secondly, the environment in which the PVC pipe will be installed should also be taken into account. Thirdly, ensure the clamps meet all applicable codes and standards. The use of appropriate clamps and support methods is essential for ensuring the long-term performance and reliability of PVC pipe systems. Failure to use the correct clamps can result in damage to the pipe, leaks, and even system failure. Therefore, it is crucial to take the time to select and install the appropriate clamps for each specific application.